Creating a faceless YouTube Shorts channel with the help of AI is an exciting, innovative way to step into the world of content creation, while maintaining privacy and harnessing cutting-edge technology. The growing appeal of this approach lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Unlike traditional YouTube channels that require creators to appear on camera, faceless channels allow individuals to stay behind the scenes. AI tools streamline the entire process, from generating ideas and scripts to producing and optimizing content, making it accessible even for beginners. The following is a comprehensive guide to building a successful faceless YouTube Shorts channel. AI is a game changer in content creation, offering unmatched efficiency and creativity. Tools like TubeMagic, InVideo, Synthesia, Pictory, and VidAI empower creators to automate scripting, video editing, and voiceovers. For instance, Synthesia enables you to create lifelike avatars to narrate your scripts. At the same time, Pictory can transform text into captivating video content. Channels like Pillow Talk and AI News have harnessed the power of AI tools to consistently produce high-quality content, showcasing the immense potential of this approach. AI not only aids in content creation, but also allows creators to analyze viewer behavior and tailor videos to trending topics, thereby enhancing audience targeting and engagement. Selecting a profitable niche is critical for attracting viewers and ensuring long-term growth. A successful niche combines personal interest, audience demand, and monetization potential. Tools like Google Trends and YouTube Analytics can help identify trending topics and underserved areas. For instance, niches like animal battles, ASMR, or motivational content consistently attract millions of viewers. The best niches balance uniqueness with broad appeal, ensuring you stand out while still appealing to a large audience. Branding plays a crucial role in establishing your channel's identity. AI tools like TubeMagic can generate unique and memorable channel names aligned with your niche. It's vital to ensure your chosen name isn't already in use to avoid copyright issues. Visual branding is equally essential. AI-powered design platforms such as Canva and Leonardo.ai can help create logos, banners, and thumbnails that are simple, engaging, and aligned with your theme. These visuals attract clicks and reinforce your channel's identity, building loyalty among viewers. Setting up your channel is straightforward and manageable, requiring attention to detail. Start by creating your channel in YouTube Studio, adding a profile picture, and writing an optimized description. Effective SEO is key to visibility. Use AI tools like TubeMagic, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to identify high-performing keywords for your titles, tags, and descriptions. A well-optimized channel description clearly explaining your content theme can significantly boost search rankings. Generating video ideas consistently can be challenging, but with the power of AI tools and strategic research, it becomes an inspiring and creative process. Analyze the most successful videos in your niche to identify patterns and opportunities. Platforms like Google Trends and Reddit can reveal trending topics, while tools like Answer the Public help you uncover commonly asked questions. A mix of evergreen content, trending topics, and unique ideas keeps your channel fresh and engaging. AI tools make scriptwriting and video creation seamless. VidAI and Jasper AI are excellent for generating scripts tailored to your chosen topics, complete with voiceovers in multiple languages. These tools save time and ensure professional quality videos. Customizing the tone and style of your scripts to match your branding further enhances engagement. Strategic linking is key to maximizing watch time and retention, keeping your audience engaged and informed. Adding end screens, cards, and links to related videos encourages viewers to stay on your channel longer. This interconnectivity boosts session time, a key factor in YouTube's algorithm. Following the example of creators like MrBeast, linking shorts to long-form videos can help convert casual viewers into loyal subscribers. To effectively implement strategic linking and maximize watch time, plan your video flow with the viewer's journey in mind. Each piece of content should guide the audience naturally to the next, creating a seamless experience that keeps them engaged. End screens are one of the most powerful tools for this. Design end screens that prominently feature links to related videos or playlists. For example, if a viewer finishes watching a video about top 10 AI tools for content creation, the end screen can link to another video like how to automate your YouTube channel with AI. These connections create a logical path that compels viewers to stay on your channel. Playlists are an overlooked but highly effective way to boost session time. Curate playlists that group videos by topic or theme, such as Beginner's Guide to YouTube or Advanced AI Tools for Creators. When viewers click on a playlist, autoplay ensures they are guided through multiple videos without interruption. Include enticing titles and descriptions for your playlists, emphasizing the value viewers will gain from watching all the videos in the series. Following the example of creators like Mr. Beast, consider linking your short content to related long-form videos. Shorts are excellent for capturing attention quickly and driving curiosity, which can then lead viewers to explore longer, more in-depth content. For instance, a short showcasing a quick tip on using an AI tool could link directly to a full tutorial on the same tool. Use pinned comments and video descriptions to include these links, ensuring they are easy to find. Finally, it's crucial to monitor the performance of your linking strategies through YouTube Analytics. Evaluating metrics like click-through rates on cards and end screens and average watch time allows you to adjust your approach based on the data. This iterative process ensures that your linking efforts are optimized to maximize audience retention and overall session duration. In conclusion, building a faceless YouTube Shorts channel using AI is a powerful way to enter the world of digital content creation. You can grow a successful channel that stands out in today's competitive landscape by selecting a niche, leveraging AI tools, creating consistent content, and optimizing engagement. Embrace AI's potential and take the first step toward revolutionizing your approach to YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more insights, and check out related videos for additional inspiration.